Okay, so I'm going to take the diameter of the entire handle, 1.375, minus the diameter of the hole, 0.1875. I'm going to divide it in half. It's going to give me that radius. So to come up with my line, what was the big diameter? 1.375. So 1.375 minus 0.1875. And all of that was divided by 2. No, there's a point there. So I'm putting parentheses around the subtraction. 1.375 minus 0.1875, and then I'm going to use my slash to divide by 2. I want it to subtract and then divide, so I put parentheses around the subtraction. You guys remember order of operations?
Yes.
Good. Okay, there's my height right there. Now my line coming across, my width there is 0.156, right? Is everybody with me? 0.156. So I'm going to hit L, get my line tool, come over. Oh, look, it went to auto 0.156. Nice. It's kind of sensing that I want to make a closed shape. Did you see what happened? It turned peach. So it's telling me I've got a closed shape now, which is really cool. Inventor never did that. This is a new Fusion thing that's super great for us. Now, what I want to do is I want to spin this shape around this line right here. So I need a line in the middle, and I'm going to spin that profile, and it's going to make my rubber handle. So this line is right through the middle of the rubber handle. How do I find the middle of the rubber handle? It's half the diameter, right? So half the diameter. I'm going to make a line that comes up half the diameter. So 1.375 divided by 2 is how tall I need to be. I need a little line to revolve around. It doesn't matter where you make this line or how long it is, as long as it is the correct distance from the bottom. I can delete this because I don't need it. It just told me where to put that line, okay? And now I'm going to create my revolve. When I create my revolve, I'm going to click on my profile. And then do you see my dialog box over here? I'm going to select my axis. That was this line that I made. I'm almost done, okay? I'm almost done. What am I missing? What do I need to add? The fillets. What's the radius on those fillets? 0.25. Now, there is a fillet tool in the sketch. I could have filleted the sketch before I revolved, but since I already revolved, I'm going to go to my create, my 3D model, and I can modify. I'm going to go to modify, and I can fill it here also. So you can fill it in the sketch with a sketch tool, or you can fill it in a model with your modify tools. So that radius needs to be 0.25. Okay, modify, fillet. Radius is 0.25 because it told me it was typical. Right? That look about right? Yeah, sure does. Now, the last thing I can do over here in my browser, this is where I have my body. I can right click on that body one, and I can go to physical material. What was this made out of? What kind of, it's rubber. So I'm going to click on this plus sign. Do you see the plus sign? And I'm going to look for, shoot, I forget where it was now. I think it was under miscellaneous maybe. No. Plastic. There it is. There's rubber. So I can pull rubber onto my part. And now it is officially a rubber handle. Okay? You still have a view cube just like you did in Inventor. So you can pull it around and look at it, and you can kind of see the texture is applied because I changed it to a rubber material. Okay? And it's auto updating. You can click save just to make yourself feel better, but it is auto updating over here. So it's in my 5.5 folder. Everything is good, and we are finished with the rubber handle.